These are the last words from the cockpit of Air Florida Flight 90. The sound of impact is the Tampa-bound Boeing 737 slammed into the 14th Street Bridge in Washington, D.C., and plunging into the icy Potomac